Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best office chairs for back support that are available on the market for their true quality. If you're tired of dealing with back pain or discomfort after long hours at your desk, these chairs are designed to keep you comfortable and supported. You can find all the product links in the description below, so let's dive right in. At number 5, we have the Trout office chair with its ergonomic design and wide seat. This chair is built to support users up to 330 pounds, making it a great choice for big and tall individuals. One standout feature is its independent lumbar support, which contours your spine and helps reduce fatigue, making it an ideal option for long workdays. The 3D adjustable headrest is another great detail, allowing you to customize the tilt, height, and angle for maximum neck and shoulder relief. The breathable mesh back ensures you stay cool and sweat-free, even during marathon work sessions. The extra thick cushion provides excellent pressure relief for your hips and legs, while the smooth-rolling silent wheels allow you to move effortlessly across any surface. Its sturdy base and Class 4 gas lift ensure stability and durability, making it a solid, long-term investment. While the chair offers a lot of great features, its price is not readily available, which might make it harder to gauge its value compared to others on this list. Also, some users might find the assembly process a bit time-consuming. However, if you're looking for a chair with strong lumbar support and a focus on comfort, the Trout office chair is a fantastic option. At number 4, we have the Trout Ergonomic desk chair, which offers a combination of comfort and adjustability. Designed to support up to 330 pounds, this chair is perfect for users of varying sizes and is especially well-suited for extended hours of use. The chair's standout feature is its tailored lumbar support, which provides targeted relief for your lower back, making it a great choice for both work and gaming. The breathable mesh seat keeps you cool during long sessions, while the high-quality materials and sturdy 5-point metal base ensure durability. The reclining feature, which ranges from 90 to 120 degrees, allows you to adjust the chair to your preferred position easily. The flip-up arms are a nice touch, offering flexibility when you need to tuck the chair under your desk for more space. However, the chair's design might not feel as premium as some of the higher-ranked options, and it lacks some of the advanced adjustability features found in more expensive models. But with its lifetime warranty and easy assembly, this chair offers excellent value for those seeking a reliable, ergonomic option at a reasonable price. Coming in at number 3 is the Marseille Ergonomic office chair, a fantastic mid-range option packed with adjustability. This chair features a fully adjustable headrest, 3D armrests, and a lumbar support system that can be customized to move forward and backward or up and down. This level of adjustment ensures that the chair can fit a wide range of body types and postures, making it ideal for those who spend long hours at their desks. The high back mesh design promotes airflow to keep you cool, while the thick, high-density foam seat provides excellent comfort and support for your hips and legs. The chair boasts a weight capacity of up to 300 pounds and is constructed with durable materials that meet BIFMA and SGS safety standards. The reclining backrest, which ranges from 90 to 120 degrees, adds versatility for working, reading, or simply relaxing. While this chair offers great value for its price, its recline range might not be enough for those looking for a more laid-back option. Additionally, the assembly process is straightforward, but could be smoother if the instructions were clearer. Overall, the Marseille Ergonomic office chair is a strong contender for anyone looking for a feature-rich yet affordable ergonomic chair. At number 2, we have the Kapot Ergonomic Mesh office chair, a powerhouse when it comes to back support and adjustability. Supporting up to 400 pounds, it's one of the most robust chairs on our list, making it a great option for users who need extra durability. The micro-adjustable lumbar system offers 8 levels of support, allowing you to align the lower back feature precisely with your lumbar spine, which can significantly reduce fatigue and improve posture. The chair also features a 3D adjustable headrest and 4D flip-up armrests, making it one of the most customizable options out there. The enlarged seat, crafted from Aerovith mesh, enhances support while keeping you cool and comfortable throughout the day. The 3-level tilt backrest allows you to lock the chair at 90, 110, or 125 degrees, giving you the flexibility to switch between focus and relaxation. While the Kapot chair is packed with features, its heavier weight might make it less portable, and its price is not immediately clear, which could be a drawback for budget-conscious shoppers. However, with a 5-year warranty and excellent build quality, the Kapot Ergonomic Mesh Office Chair is an outstanding choice for those who prioritize comfort and durability. Finally, at the top spot, we have the Trout Ergonomic Desk Chair, and it's easy to see why this chair takes the crown. Designed with a focus on ergonomic excellence, this chair offers comprehensive support for your head, back, hips, and arms. Its adjustable lumbar support is one of the best in this price range, ensuring your lower back stays supported and comfortable throughout the day. The breathable mesh backrest not only keeps you cool, but also provides responsive support that moves with you. The chair features a sturdy 5-point metal base with a load capacity of 330 pounds, making it both stable and durable. The recline function, which ranges from 90 to 120 degrees, gives you the freedom to adjust between an upright working posture and a slightly reclined position for relaxation. While the chair includes many great features, it may not offer as much adjustability as more premium options, particularly in the armrests and headrest. However, its combination of comfort, design, and affordability makes it the best overall choice for anyone looking to improve their back support without breaking the bank. It's a fantastic investment for your home or office workspace. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know in the comments which chair you think would work best for you, or if you have any questions about the ones we reviewed today. I'll be sure to get back to you as soon as possible. Until next time, happy shopping!